How to troubleshoot your truck. Troubleshooting and diagnosing a truck's problem can be tricky, but there are some things you can do to make it easier. Here are some tips on how to diagnose and troubleshoot truck problems. Check the battery. The battery is the basis of all electrical operations in a truck, so if it's not working correctly, you won't be able to drive your vehicle at all. If the battery isn't holding a charge or supplying enough power, it needs to be replaced. Inspect all electrical components. Pay special attention to the spark plugs and distributor caps, as these are two of the leading electrical components that can cause your truck to run improperly or not at all. If any electrical components have gone wrong, they need to be replaced. Check the fuel system. If your truck is running rough or not at all, it could be due to a problem with the fuel system. Check the fuel filter, injectors, and pump for any signs of wear or damage. Check the cooling system. It's important to inspect all the components of your truck's cooling system, such as the radiator, hoses, and water pump. If any of these parts are damaged or not working correctly, it could impact your truck's performance. Inspect the tires and wheels. Make sure you check the tires for any signs of wear or damage and inspect the wheels for any corrosion or other issues that could be causing a problem. Test drive your truck. If all else fails, take your truck out for a test drive to see. Perform a visual inspection of your truck. Look for any signs of damage, such as fluid leaks, loose hoses or wires, and any other abnormalities that could be causing a problem. If it runs correctly, pay attention to how your truck runs and use your senses to determine if there's something wrong with it. These are just some of the tips on how to diagnose and troubleshoot truck problems. If you're still having trouble finding the source of your situation, it's best to consult a professional mechanic who can help diagnose any underlying issues. To learn about cargo carriers, check out our previous video.